Welcome back, student. Lesson number 8, Static Electricity. Today we are going to start learning the same topic from the same lesson, atmospheric electric charge. As we know that we have experienced clouds, thunders, lightning, and sometimes we hear or we read that lightning strike on tree. Lightning strike will happen on building, and some people or animal will get killed. How does this happen and why this is happen? How does the lightning happen actually in the sky, and when the lightning strike on the earth? These questions comes in our mind. Today we are going to learn about lightning and lightning strike. Now it was said that lightning and lightning strike, this when you start to go study very deep, it is very complicated science behind it. But here in short we will learn the information about lightning and lightning strike in today's lecture. Now see, lightning first. Here when clouds, as you know that whenever there is a cloud, air and clouds comes. When air and clouds rub against each other, what will happen? When they rub each other, there are formation of charges. You know that formation of charges takes place on the clouds. Here, positive charges are developed at the upper end of the cloud, and negative charges are developed at the lower part or lower side of the clouds. And here, when it starts to reach the ground, what will happen during these stages? When these charges, positive, negative charges, are present on these clouds. Which type of clouds? Electrically charged clouds. Which type of clouds we can call them? That time during the rainy season, we will get to see such type of clouds. When such type of clouds comes in the surrounding in the sky, that time only when they carry the positive negative charge, such clouds are called electrically charged clouds. This cannot be happen every day. You know that lightning strikes happen very rarely, not every day. Now lightning, it starts to reach when these charges develop on the clouds. The clouds become so much heavier, and here the downside, lower part of these clouds possesses the negative charges and above positive charges. But these negative charges become so much heavier, and it starts to slowly start to be coming down. Where it start to coming? It start to coming down on the ground in the stages, slowly. And it happened very fast, within a second. Means it's lightning. When lightning started, immediately it was said that it is happening very fastly, less than a second. And during this time, what will happen? Here you will get to see light, heat and sound energy. Which type of energy start to be generated? When lightning is there in the sky, when the development of light, heat and sound energy into the sky. When this can be possible? When there are electrically charged clouds rub against the air. Is that clear? And here it produces along with the electric current, and that is the reason. That is the reason for generation of electrical current. Is that clear to you? Now see, lightning strike. When there are electrically charged clouds in the sky, as I told, this cannot be happen every day. This can be happen very rarely during when the clouds carry the electrical charges. The electrically it is attracted toward a tall building or tall trees, and what will happen? The buildings or trees. When this lightning strikes, an opposite charge is generated on the roof of the building or the tree by the induction. Induction, you know that very well. eruption means it generated till they are in the contact with each other. As you know that previously I explained you here generation of negative charges at the lower part of the cloud and positive to the upper part of the cloud. Suppose here trees. Suppose at the down trees are there. If your downside negative charges, then here you know that definitely positive charges start to be generated on the tree. And as you say that, suppose this is a cloud. What is this? This is a cloud. And when this negative and positive, as you know that negative and positive charges start to come close, what will happen? Yes, definitely there is a attraction. Opposite charges, there is attraction. As I told here, opposite charges and electrical charge generated on the roof of the building or the tree by induction, and due to these opposite charges develop on the top of the tree and the downside lower part of the cloud, then there is an attraction between opposite charges on the clouds and the building or the top of the trees. And here that time immediately lightning strike will be happen, and we can call this is nothing but lightning strike. Is that clear? How it can be possible? Generation of negative charge and generation of positive charge on the top of the building as well as on the tree or any another thing which is present on the ground. Opposite charge, always there is a attraction. It can cause the lightning strike. Is that clear? How the lightning strike can take place? Yes. Now see, the advantage of lightning strike is that lightning strike, previously I told, it brings the damage. Many people were killed, animals were killed, but it is not always damage or harmful for us. Sometimes it can be useful for us. How? Now see, the heat and light generated. As I told, when lightning is happening, heat and light as well as sound images start to be generated. But what will happen? The heat and light generated during this lightning, what will happen? A chemical reaction takes place. As you know that in the air, in the atmosphere, presence of various types of gases. Air is a mixture of gases, and from that nitrogen and oxygen, nitrogen gas and oxygen gas is there. What will happen in between that? A chemical reaction takes place, and nitrogen gas start to react with the oxygen, and nitrogen oxide get produced. Here chemical reaction. In this way the chemical reaction takes place. When nitrogen react with or mix with the oxygen, what we produce? 2 NO. NO means nitrogen oxide. Is that clear? Nitrogen oxide get produced, and here it mixes. What will happen further with this nitrogen oxide? This nitrogen oxide again further react with the rainwater. Rainwater means what? Children, water. You know that molecular formula for water is H2O. When this nitrogen oxide mixed with further in the rainwater, here it was fall down in the form of acids. Various types of acids start to be created, and when it is fall down on the ground, it is mixed with the soil, and indirectly or directly that fertility of soil get increased. It improves the fertility of our soil. Soil for plants for their growth. What is necessary? They need nitrogen also, but they can't able to take the nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. But in this way, if it is possible, then plants and the soil fertility help to what? Increasing. Second, due to the energy of the lightning, when the lightning strike will be happening during that time, tremendous amount of heat energy, light energy and sound energy generated, and the oxygen in the air is connected, and what will happen? Which new type of gas start to create? That type of gas already you have ozone gas. And this ozone gas, as you know that previously already we have learned, ozone gas protect us from ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. Means here these are the advantage of the lightning strike. Lightning strike is not always harmful for us, but sometimes it brings good, or it becomes the good reason for us. Is that clear to all? Great scientists in the year 1752, Benjamin Franklin conducted an experiment of flying a kite with his son William. The kite was made using a silk cloth, deodar wood and a metal wire. The metal wire was joined in such a way that its one end was at the top of the kite and another end was joined to the string of the kite. There was lightning in the sky on that day. They flew the kite. When the metal wire touched the cloud, the electric charge got transferred from the cloud to the kite. Then the loose string of the kite became taut and the electric charge reached the earth through the string. A spark was seen where the string touched the ground. Thus, he showed that lightning is a form of electric charge. Now, lightning conductor. Lightning conductor, it is a device used for protection from lightning strike. Already you had more information about lightning strike. Sometimes it is a very useful, but sometimes it is a very harmful, bring the damage to us. Now, we will first see the construction of lightning strike. Lightning strike is made up in this way. Suppose this is a building. It is a copper strip or wire which is placed at the highest part of the building. Here you know that it is made in this way that the copper strips are here very pointed, and here it is like a fork. In this way, the tip of the copper wire is placed at the highest part of the building, and the another part is carried toward the ground very close to the building. Here, cast iron plate. Cast iron plate, it is used to cover the ground. Here you need to dig a small pit. In that pit, it is necessary to add the mixture of coal and salt. Here keeps small mold over the water in it. Cast iron plate is placed on this pit in the upright direction. Here one part of this copper strip is joined to the end of the building and one part is above the building. Did you see this? In this way the construction of lightning conductor is done. Now see, it consists of a long strip and one end of fork. Now whatever I discussed you, the another end is at the ground and one end is joined to the highest part of the building. At the highest part of the building, other end of the strip is connected to the plate of cast iron. Now I told here one plate is placed on the pit. A pit is dug into the ground and here coal and salt are filled into the pit and iron plate is placed on that. Cover it with the iron plate, cast iron plate. This helps to spread the electric charges here quickly into the ground and prevent damage to the building. Suppose lightning strike will happen. Here if it comes, it is get attracted to this pointed strip, pointed tips of this fork which is made of copper strip. Immediately the current start to flow through this copper. As you know that copper metal is a good conductor of electricity. It starts to carry the electric current and it immediately carries toward the ground where you dug the pit. Understood? And in the pit what you place? You place the mixture of coal, salt and some water. As soon as the current reaches to the ground, what will happen? It starts quickly flow into the ground. It immediately starts to spread into the ground and here it stops the damage to our building. Is that clear? And not only when the electrically charged charged clouds passes. It cannot be possible. Every time it cannot be happen. But it was happen mostly when the electrically charged clouds are passed over our buildings or our area. And here this lightning strike or lightning conductor is not helping to prevent only your building, but it was helping to prevent the building or surrounding area where it was placed. Now it was said that it was help to surrounding area also for protection. Lightning conductor, it is a device help for protection from lightning strike. Is that clear to you? In this way, this lesson gets over.